Unit 7.2. Will robots ever replace humans? Question 1. Identify the robots being described by each of the following statements and write the name of the robot in the space provided below. So, name of robot Pharaoh. Description: this robot has been found to reduce patient stress and stimulates interaction between patients and caregivers. Digit: this headless robot can pick up and stack boxes weighing up to 40 pounds and sensors that allow it to navigate various obstacles. T HR3. This humanoid robot can mimic the movement of its humans operator. Sophia, a social humanoid developed by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics that can move, talk, show some emotions, draw, and sing. Pharaoh. It is considered to be the world's most therapeutic robot certified by Guinness World Record. Answer the following question briefly. How can robots make our life easy? Robot can make our lives easier by doing tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or need a lot of precision. This helps increase efficiency, reduces mistakes, and allows us to do things remotely, such as in healthcare, factories, and service jobs. Could robots ever be smarter than humans? How? Answer: robots could be smarter than human in some ways because they can quickly process and analyze large amount of data and recognize pattern. However, they don't have human-like general intelligence, or emotional understandings. How can Sophia, the humanoid robot, continue her role as a robotic ambassador? Sophia can continue her role by talking to people, going to events, and helping with research on robots and how they interact with humans. She can express emotions and engage in conversations, which helps promote the use of robots. Since robotic avatar can mimic the movement of its humans apparatus, in what ways do you think it can help humans? The robotic avatar can help by allowing people to do tasks from far away, like surgeries, caregiving. It can also work in dangerous places, making these tasks safer and more accessible. Why is Pharaoh called the therapeutic robot? Pharaoh is called the therapeutic robot because it provides the benefits of animal therapy in places where live animal can't go. It helps reduce stress, improve relaxation and motivations, and encourages social interaction among patients.